Ironclad Industries is a factory specializing in manufacturing military equipment. Inside, the factory buzzed with activity. Skilled workers in blue overalls moved swiftly, assembling parts and inspecting finished products. Among them was Rhonda, a young engineer who had recently joined the team. Rhonda was passionate about her work, believing that the equipment she helped create would protect the country and its soldiers. One day, as Rhonda walked through the production line, she noticed a group of workers gathered around a new piece of equipment. It was a prototype of a state-of-the-art armored vehicle designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Rhonda's eyes sparkled as she approached the vehicle. "Impressive, isn't it?" said Mr. Thompson, the factory manager, who appeared beside her. "It really is," Rhonda replied. Mr. Thompson nodded. "This vehicle is equipped with the latest technology. It has reinforced armor, advanced navigation systems, and superior firepower." As time went by, Rhonda became more involved in the project. She worked late into the night. Her dedication did not go unnoticed. The factory buzzed with excitement as the vehicle neared completion. Finally, the day arrived for the vehicle's first test. The entire factory gathered outside, eager to witness the moment. Rhonda stood beside Mr. Thompson, her heart pounding with anticipation. The vehicle roared to life, its powerful engine echoing through the hills. It maneuvered smoothly, demonstrating its agility and strength. Cheers erupted from the crowd. Rhonda felt a surge of pride. She knew that her work had contributed to something that would make a difference. Ironclad Industries continued to thrive. The factory became known for its exceptional equipment and innovation. The spirit of dedication and hard work shone brightly, ensuring a safer future for all.